Welcome, عنيزة Private School students. Hello, my students. Welcome again with a new English lesson. Today we'll know about was and where. Okay, was and where is a past form of verb to be. Verb to be in present is, are, and am. But in the past is was and were. To make affirmative sentence, okay, to make affirmative sentence, we use subject plus was or were past form of verb to be. Okay, we're beginning with the subject. After subject, we use the past form of verb to be. We use was here with subjects I, she, he, it, or any singular noun. And also we can use were here with we, you, they, or any plural noun. For example, we can say I was happy. I was happy. Okay, she was happy. He was happy. We can say he were. Okay, he were, no, it's wrong. Because here we use was with subject he. He was, she was, I was, it was. And also here we use were here with we, you, and they. We were happy. We were happy. Okay, where is a past form of verb to be. We were happy. You were happy. Okay, they were happy. Look at these examples. Example number 1, I was happy. Here we use was, okay, with subject I. I was happy. Example number 2, she was sad. She was sad. Also here, my students, we use the past form, okay, was, okay, with she. Because we say before that, we use was with I, he, she, it, or any singular noun. Look at example number 3. They were at school. They were at school. Here also we use were with subject they. Okay, was and were is the past form of verb to be. They were at school. Okay, to make negative sentence with was and were, you can only add not here, okay, to was and to were to make negative sentence. You can say was not, or wasn't. Was not or wasn't. And also you can say were not or weren't. Here we add not to verb to be, was and were to make negative sentence. Also we use wasn't with I, he, she, it, or any singular noun. I was not happy or I wasn't happy. She was not happy or she wasn't happy. Also we use were not or weren't with we, you, and they. We were not happy or we weren't happy. You were not happy or you weren't happy. Also, we can say they were not happy or they weren't happy. Only add, my students, here, only add not only or in apostrophe here, to was or to were to make it negative sentence. Okay, look at these examples. Example number 1, I wasn't happy. I wasn't happy. Look here at in apostrophe T. We add here in apostrophe T to was to make negative sentence. I wasn't happy. But here, my students, okay, here we say I was happy. This is positive. This is positive sentence, okay? I was happy. We add here in apostrophe T to make negative sentence like this. Look here. I wasn't happy. Okay, here we add in apostrophe T to verb was to make it negative sentence. Example number 2. She wasn't sad. She wasn't sad. Also here we add in apostrophe T to verb was to change it into negative. She wasn't sad. Look here at this example. She was sad. She was sad. This is positive sentence, not negative. Okay? Here was, we use here was only. But in this example, we say wasn't. Wasn't. Here we add in apostrophe T in green. Okay? Look here, add in apostrophe T in green. We added to was to change this sentence from positive to negative. Look at example number 3. They were not or weren't at school. They weren't at school. Also here, my students, we add here in apostrophe T, okay, to make it negative sentence. Look again to this example. They were at school. They were at school. Here we use verb to be were, okay, without not to make positive sentence. But here I want to make negative. Okay, I want to make negative sentence. So here we add here in apostrophe T to verb were to make it negative. They weren't at school. Now, my students will know how to make question, okay, with was and were. This question, we called it yes-no question, okay? Yes-no question beginning with the auxiliary verb. Where is the auxiliary verb here? Auxiliary verb here is was and were, okay? Here, was and were is the past form of verb to be. Was and were. We're beginning the question with was, okay, plus subject, or with were plus subject. Also, we use was here with I, she, he, it, or any singular noun. And also here we use were with we, you, they, or any plural noun. But in the positive sentence, we're beginning the sentence with a subject like this. Look here with me. Okay, here we're beginning our sentence, okay, with the subject I, she, they. After here, after the subject, we use was or were, okay? But here in the question, we will change them or opposite them. We will beginning with was, okay? And after was, I can use the subject. Look here with me. Was she happy? Was she happy? This is question. This is question, okay? Was she happy? Here we're beginning our question with was, okay? And after was, we use the subject she. Was she happy? The answer here will be beginning with yes or no, okay? So we call this question yes, no question. My answer here will beginning with yes, yes or no. Okay, yes, she was. Yes, she was here. Okay, my students. Look here with me. Here we're beginning with she. Okay. Okay, we're beginning here with she. And after she, we use here was. Here also we opposite them. Yes, she was. Okay. To make the answer, yes, she was. Also, we can beginning our answer with no. No, she wasn't. No, she wasn't. Also here, okay, we opposite them. Here we begin with the answer here with she. After she, we use was. And here we add in apostrophe T. If we're beginning our answer with no, okay, take care, my students. If we're beginning our answer with no, we must add here in apostrophe T to was. Okay, no, she wasn't. Look to another example. Example number 2. Were they at school yesterday? Were they at school yesterday? Here also, my students will begin the question with verb to be were. Okay, and after were, we use the subject they. Were they? Again, were they at school yesterday? The answer will be excellent. Yes, they were. Yes, they were. Here we're beginning the answer with they. Look here with me. They, okay, were. Yes, they were. And if we begin our answer with no, the answer will be no, they weren't. No, they weren't. Here we add in apostrophe T to were because our answer beginning with no. And we say before that, if our answer beginning with no, we must add in apostrophe T here to verb to be, okay? No, they weren't. Example number 3. Were you at school yesterday? Were you at school yesterday? Look here, my students, the answer will be what? Yes, I was. We say before that, my students, if we use you in the question, okay, you here in the question change into I in the answer. Okay, do you remember? Again, here, if we use you in the question, okay, here you change into I in the answer. And also here we say yes, I, yes, I. Okay, if I put were here, if I make a change between them and put were here, it's wrong. I can't say yes, I were. Why? Because we say before that we use was with I, not were. Okay? Yes, I was. Yes, I was. So here we change you here to I, and also we change were to was. Again, my students, here we change you in the question, we change it into I in the answer, and also we change where in the question to was in the answer, because here I can say I were. Okay, it's wrong answer. The right answer will be I was. Yes, I was. And also, if our answer beginning with no, we can say no, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Here, my students, and not forget add in apostrophe T if your answer beginning with no. Finished our lesson, my students. Thanks for watching and goodbye.